Hello, and welcome to Silent Driving Lessons. This is the Learning to Drive series. Lesson 1. Cockpit Drill. The cockpit drill is the procedure you follow every time you get into the car and will become quite routine. Get into the car and ensure the door is securely closed. Check that the parking brake is applied. Adjust the seat and head restraint. Adjust the mirrors. Put on your seat belt. Check that the vehicle has enough fuel and/or charge. The routine would always be: get in and close the door. Are all the doors closed? Adjust the seat and head restraint. Can you reach the controls comfortably? Adjust the mirrors. Seat belt on. Check fuel, charge. Now we will go through the controls. Parking brake. The parking brake is only for use when the vehicle has stopped. May be operated by a lever, an extra foot pedal or push button. Mirrors. Remember to check your true image before changing speed or direction and how your decision could affect other road users. This is one of the leading reasons people fail their driving tests, is because they don't use their mirrors correctly. Interior. Flat glass, true image. Exterior. Curved glass, objects may appear to be further away than they are. What does MSM mean? It means mirrors, signal, maneuver. Foot controls. A. Accelerator. B. Brake. C. Clutch. Only operate with your left foot. For the foot controls, there is usually 3 pedals: accelerator, brake and clutch. For the accelerator and the brake, they can both be operated with your right foot and you may need to pivot between them. The clutch operates differently. Use your left foot to operate. You usually have to get the car to its bite point. This is where you use the clutch to get the gear to bite and match the engine speed, allowing the wheels to move. Here is a diagram to show what happens when the clutch pedal is pressed and depressed. Gears. Gears can depend on the vehicle you are using. If it's an automatic transmission, there will be no clutch pedal and gearing is a little easier. The options on an automatic gear stick are park, reverse, neutral, drive, manual. If it's a manual transmission, the layout can depend on the vehicle manufacturer and depending on the amount of gears the car has too. The 2 most common gear stick layouts are with the reverse in the left forward position and right back position, but to operate you usually have to push the gear stick in or click it up to be able to get the transmission to go into reverse. When gearing, speed ranges overlap, allowing minimal strain and increased fuel economy. What speed for what gear? 0 to 10 miles per hour is usually first gear. 10 to 20 miles per hour is usually second gear. 20 to 30 miles per hour is usually third gear. 30 to 40 miles per hour is usually fourth gear. 40 plus EMF is for gear 5 and 6 if it has a sixth gear. How do you know when to change gear? How do you get the best fuel use with the gears? Steering. Remember not to grip the wheel too tight or too loosely. Just relax. Hold the wheel at 10 and 2 or 9 and 3 position. Use the push-pull method. Never take both hands from the steering wheel when the car is moving. Moving off. When moving off, remember to prepare. Find the bite point. Clutch at bite. Manual car in first gear. Accelerator at about 1000 revolutions per minute. Observe. Use mirrors and look all round to check blind spots. 6-point check. Signal. If necessary, be ready to release the parking brake. Remember your final safety check. Normal stops. Use the MSM routine. Ask yourself, is it safe, legal and convenient? Which mirrors should you check? Signal. Steer. Slightly to the left. Speed. Slow down. Steer. Straighten the wheel. Once stopped, apply the handbrake and put the gear into neutral position. Remove signal. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.